Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're back with our daily update on trading tokenized stocks on FTX, the crypto exchange. Link will be down in the description for FTX. It's a massive opportunity because now you can trade tokenized stocks 24/7 on FTX. If we go to the tokenized stocks, we can see there's a whole bunch of different stocks to choose from. And we've started our journey trading different ones, adding a new stock every week, building the portfolio, but slowly but surely getting into the trade. So let's go to the first stock we trade. The first one we started trading was Tesla Doge. We started trading it because it's a unique feature and we're trading a crypto against stock. Now, if you follow us, if we look at our chart, we can see we hit our buy limit order on the Tesla Doge trade. So we'll be adding our sell or take profit for this trade right now. So this current trade, our sell limit is going to be at 12523. Just re-enter 12523. That's gonna be our take profit. Our entry level is at 121258, and our new buy limit order is gonna be at 11630. We can set our alerts for Tesla Doge. We're moving our buy alert down to 12523. And we're adding a new buy limit alert, 11630. There we go. That puts our Tesla Doge we'll be adding our take profit, which is at trigger price 12523, and we're selling 0.03 Doge, or not Doge, Tesla shares. That's putting our trade in place. And now to add our buy limit. Our buy limit is gonna be at 11630. We're gonna need 348. $49 Doge to buy, which should come up giving me the option to buy it. Just see where, there we go, and buy it. And our buy, oh, we don't want to take profit there, we wanted to put it a limit order. There we go. So our Tesla Doge is back in place. Moving to Amazon. What's been happening with our Amazon trade? Alright, looking at this, we had to take profit at $106.70, which got triggered. So our next entry is gonna be at 103.6. That's our entry price. And we're trading 0.231 Amazon. So we're pretty close to our next entry price, and we're just sitting back and waiting for it to trigger, and then we'll add our take profits. So we did get profits from our Amazon trade. Now just to go back to trading view, put our Amazon trade alerts back up. So this one gonna be 103. This one falls away, and 103 is gonna be our next buy limit, and our latest entry is at $114. That was our previous entry, and our clear zone, a trade we skipped due to the volatility in the market, is at 108.8. So we're waiting for our buy limit to confirm. If the market jumps rapidly, we'll get back in at 108.80. Our trades are in place. Amazon is back and ready to rock and roll for us. Now let's go to SPY. SPY been dropping, but currently it's exactly where it was. We can just make sure. After setting my alerts for Amazon, we'll go to SPY and make sure our charts look exactly the way we need it to look. Now we can go to SPY. SPY is 500 different companies into one trade. We got 3 take profits waiting and 1 buy limit order. Looking at our SPY chart, it looks exactly what we want. 3 take profits waiting with 1 buy limit order. Now moving over to our final one we're currently trading, and that's Google. Google gave us profit over the evening. As you can see, that red arrow, that's where we took profit. So our buy limit order is waiting, but we're gonna cancel that, and we're gonna get straight back into the market right now. We'll put the market order, and we've been trading 0.013 Google at the time. Market order, we put in a buy order. Look at our order history. Google, just waiting for it to fill up and confirm. Trade history, here we go. Google, we just bought at 2146.9. 2146.9. Gonna do my calculations to get my trades perfectly in place. 146. Just need to type it in right. 2146.9. Go. That's sorted. So now we can add our take profit. Take profit for Google on this trade is going to be at 2211.30. Put in our sell. There's our take profit, and our new buy limit order is going to be at $2,061. That's it. All our trades is in place. We can just go to our chart, add our alerts, and make sure they are in the right place, so I know when to look and what to do. 2211.30. Our entry price was at 2146.90, and our next buy limit order is going to be waiting at $2,061. So almost in at the same place we got out, getting our trades correctly in place. And there we go. All our trades for our tokenized stocks back in place, back sorted. All of them waiting for the market to move to give us either profit or get back into the market. But now Leave down in the comments. I'm looking to add another stock on Monday. Which one do you recommend? Thank you for watching. Remember, smash that like and subscribe button and have a good one.